Welcome to my channel, everybody and viewers. And this is the class is for those who want to learn about the derivative here, okay? And this is a basic discussion about derivative, and just the starting point here. In the previous video, there was the first principle about the derivative, okay? And see that the video carefully and learn more the formula of derivative of these classes. And now see, this is some point of formula here which I have shown on the first principle for this, and ddx of x to the power n here is n into x to the power n. So you can see here this is variable and this is constant. Then we get here n into x to the power n minus 1. Okay. And again, the difference between these, see, this is constant, this is variable, and here is constant, this is variable. So ddx of a to the power x here is a to the power x into log a. And now see here ddx of sin x, that is cos x. ddx of tan x, this is sec square x. ddx of cos x minus sin x, and so on. And see also here u into v. So this is the formula u into ddx of v plus v into ddx of u. If it is a divided pattern, so square of v square, okay, and this is here unchanged, and ddx of u minus alternate. So now for number 1 point, so how can proceed the derivative? Okay, students see carefully. Number 1 point, point out this point here, and differentiate this sin x, we get here cos x, okay? And there is some another point c, repeat here, that is ddx of x, and see here this is 1, so not needed to write ddx of that. But number 2 point, if in that case it is x to the power 10, so what happened there? They see here cos x to the power 10, and again differentiate by this procedure we can, okay, and now cos x to the power 10, and we get here 10 into x to the power 9. So that's why I repeated it, okay. Now the point number 3 here, ddx of again x to the power n. So n into x to the power n minus 1. Okay, again repeat here ddx of x. But ddx of x with respect to x is 1. So this is your answer. But 4th point, if this is be y to the power n here, and y is a variable, and this is n into y to the power n minus 1. So we can write here ddx of y. As in the question, there is some point there, find dy by dx. So we repeat here dy by dx. So that's why these 2 points are mentioned here. Y into n into y to the power n minus 1, and this is dy by dx. Okay. Number 5 point. So see, ddx of like here x to the power n, again repeat this formula. Which one here? This is your formula, okay. So n into x to the power n minus 1, again differentiate x. So here is 1, so not needed to write here, but this is the learning point. So now Roman 2 here, this is Roman 1. So for example 5 point here is this is, okay. So students see carefully the procedure. So let us assume this is an x, so x to the power n, so you can write like now x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1. So again differentiate x of this or differentiate this, okay. So x square plus a square, so this is here n into x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1. Again differentiate this, so you can write like this x square and ddx of a square. Okay, so n into x square plus a square whole to the power n minus 1. So twice x, and you know the derivative of constant is 0. Students, see carefully, the constant of derivative is 0 here. Okay, as we derivative with respect to x here, so that's why x is variable. And in the question, if there was a mention that the find dy by dx, so y is also a variable, but other all things are constant. So that's why a here is a constant. So that's why you can write here derivative of a square is 0. So you can write 2nx, and here x square plus a square, and whole to the power n minus 1 is your answer. Okay, see carefully. Okay, now I want to discuss the point number 6. Point number 6. ddx of sine ax square bx plus c. So this is cos x square. Okay, differentiation of sin x cos of that, and again ddx of the angle which is ax square bx plus c. Okay, ax square bx plus c, a into ddx of x square b into ddx of x and ddx of c. So that is cos of ax square bx plus c, derivative of x square, that is twice x, b into this is 1, and derivative of constant, okay, 0. So if the some part is addition, so slightly like this, okay. If this is a constant, so a into dx of that, b is a constant, b into dx of that, and this also can use u into v logic, okay, like that, a into x square. If you apply this, so a into dx of x square, or x square into dx of a, so this is constant is 0. So we let here a into dx of x square. This is the a into dx of x square. Same as b into x, you can use as the u into v product, like b into x, so b into dx of x, and x into dx of b. So b is 0 here, so only b into dx of it. So like that, okay. So use the basic rules, apply. Okay, now see again, twice ax plus b here, and into cos of ax square plus bx plus c. Students, I think all of you have better understood of this problem. See carefully. Okay, now next problem, we have proceed to 7. Okay, 7. If the formation is like ax cube, so by cube and 3abxy. So right, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, so differentiate this. So ddx of ax cube by cube, this is 3ab, and ddx of xy. So that is a into ddx of x cube, b into ddx of y cube, 3ab, and ddx of xy. So a into, this is x cube, this is 3, b into 3 into I to the power c. If derivative this, then again repeat here ddx of x. Okay, so 3 into I to the power 3 minus 1, again repeat, this is y. Okay, 3ab, x into ddx of y, y into ddx of x. Okay, so students, why we can write like now in the 6th question there was a discussion about like a into v. So if we proceed like this a into x to the q as a into v, so a into x square and x square into dx of a. So this is constant, so this whole thing is 0. So left here is this, okay. So again this as the same as, okay, and same as also this. You can later assume this is u into v. So derivative of v plus you can write here this is, okay, and 3ab. So see, this is a constant, so whole thing is 0. So you can write only this part, okay. So see again, simplify this, okay. 3a x square and ddx of x here is 1, and 3b y square and ddx of y is here dy by dx, okay, and 3ab x into dy dx, and this is here y, okay. So see again, 3 are cancelled, so ax cube, ax square, by square, dy dx, that is abx dy dx, okay, aby, and take into account dy by dx from that. So this is by square minus abx and aby minus ax square. So this is dy dx, and that is equal to aby minus ax square by by square minus abx, okay. So this is the differentiation for question number 7 here. And now next question, see carefully, okay, repeat this, okay. Now we have to proceed the question number 8 here. So there is a question, y equal to sine x cube. So you can write here, and this is, so you can apply like this, okay. So 3 into, and this is here sine x to the power 3 minus 1 and ddx of sine x here, and that is, okay, and ddx of sine x is here cos. And I have proceeded a direct method, just we get here, the solution is this. And you know, student, in your book there was some point mentioned that the chain rule, okay. So what is the chain rule? See here, but in the exam you should proceed this method, so it should be looking easy, okay. So how it came from this in the previous points, there was a mention there, okay. Now see what is the chain rule about that, okay. For that problem, so another problem here is sine x whole to the power q. Let here as a u is a sine x, so the function here is u variable, y is the function of u, so we can write now dy du, this is your dy and du, and we get here 3 into u to the power 3 minus 1, and that is 3u square. And now this is u is the function of x here, so differentiate with respect to x, we got here cos x. So we want to find dy by dx, and that can be written as dy and du into du and dx. See, these are balanced with du and dy dx. So now this is dy du, this is 3u square, and also du dx, this is cos x, okay, and this is 3u square. U square means this is sin square x and cos x, okay. This called the chain rule, okay. So next point, question number 9. Question number 9 here, this is 9, okay. Y is equal to 10 to the power log base e and sine x cube, and this is a to the power x. This rule, so we apply this rule. So this is dy dx, that is ddx of 10 to the power log to the base e and x cube here. So 10 to the power log sin x cube into log 10 to the base e, okay, into, now for that if we use this property again we can write here ddx of x here, okay, and same this is in place of x is this, so you can write, okay, like that, okay, 10 to the power log to the base e sin x cube into log 10 to the base e here, and differentiation of log x, you know, that is 1 by x here, so this is 1 by x here, x means here sin x cube, this is in place of x, okay. Again we can write here ddx of x, so we can write here ddx of sin x cube, so 10 to the power log to the base e sin x cube into, okay, by sin x cube, and ddx of sin, that is cos x cube, and again ddx of x cube here, so this is 3x square, and this is the result, okay, 10 to the power and log e to the power log sin x cube here to the base e by sin x cube, and this is here cos by sin, you can write here cot, okay, like cot x cube, okay, again 3x square, and this is the answer, okay, this is the answer. And same method we have to proceed the chain rule. See again, see this is the direct method, you can apply it easily, and this is the needed procedure. And now see the chain rule, and see, let us assume like u is equal to, this is log to the base e and sin x cube here, okay, so that's why y is equal to 10 to the power u, so u is y is the function of u here, so we find dy and du is equal to 10 to the power u and log 10 to the base e here, and here let v is equal to sin x cube, so v is equal to log u here, so we can use the function of v here, so du and dv, this is 1 by v here, okay, again v is equal to sin w, where w is equal to x cube here, okay, this is dv dw, that is cos w, okay, and dw dx, this is 3x square here, okay, and now find dy dx here, so you can write dy du and du dv and dv dw and dw dx. You can substitute here like 10 to the power u log 10 base e and 1 by v, and this is here cos w, and this is here 3x square. So 10 to the power u means here this is u log to the base e sin x cube, and v here is v means sin x cube, so this is cos w, so here cos w means this is x cube here, and v means here sin x cube, okay, and 3x square, okay, and this is the answer. So this is called the chain rule. And now proceed the question number 10. See carefully, okay. There are the two functions like x and y are given with there is a parameter st here, so find dy dx. So x is equal to, this is number 10 here, so x is equal to log 1 plus t. So differentiate x with respect to t here, okay. So that is 1 by 1 plus t, again dx of 1 plus t, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus t, 0 plus 1, 1 by 1 plus t, and given y is equal to, this is ln and log, this is to the base c to the base c, okay, these values are all t, okay, e, and log 1 minus t, and differentiate these with respect to t is 1 minus 1 by t, again d dt of 1 minus t here, so that is 1 minus t, 0 minus 1, and that is minus 1 by 1 minus t. So find dy dx, that is dy dt and dx dt here. So these values here, this is minus 1 by 1 minus t, okay, 1 minus t, and this here 1 by 1 plus t, and this is minus 1 plus t by 1 minus t here, okay. So see the next question, that is 11, see carefully. So next question is here 11, see here, and y is equal to log to the base x plus e to power x square plus a square, okay. Differentiate both sides, that is dy dx, and this is ddx of log to the base x plus e to power x square plus a square, okay. See, this is derivative of that is x by 1 by x plus e to power x square plus a square here, and into ddx of x plus e to power x square plus a square here, and see here 1 by x plus e to power x square plus a square, okay. Now differentiate this is 1, and again differentiate this x square plus a square whole to the power half here, okay. Again 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square, and differentiate, this is here 1 and to the power half here, so half into x square plus a square whole to the power half minus 1, and differentiate this is got here 2x, and repeat, and 2 are cancelled here, so then we got here x plus root over x square plus a square, and see 1 plus x by, this is minus half, so we can take right now x square plus a square, minus half means we can write 1 by x square plus a square whole to the half, whole to the half means this is root over, and this is here x plus and root over x square plus a square, okay, and take a LCM of this term is x square plus and a square, and this is here x square plus a square plus x here, okay. These are cancelled, so answer is here root over x square plus a square, okay. See carefully, this is a very important point for you, for learning point, students, see carefully, okay. Now proceed the 12 number, okay. So this is here in the form of E into V pattern. So now now see here, this is the formula E into V, E into dx of V, V into dx of U here. So this is here 12. This is here 12, and this is y is equal to e to the power ax and sin bx here, okay. So differentiate e into v, this is ddx of e to the power ax and sin bx. So right here e to the power, this is e to the power x and ddx of v here, that is sin bx, and sin bx and ddx of e to the power ax here, okay. Now right here e to the power ax and ddx of sin x, now this is cos bx into again ddx of bx, we can write, okay. Now sin bx, we can write here e to the power x, again write here e to the power x. So therefore e to the power x and cos bx, and derivative of bx is b into 1 here, and now c sin bx and e to the power x. So differentiate of e to the power ax is here a, okay, and take common e to the power x, okay, b cos bx plus a sin bx. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, see the video carefully. Students, this is the basic point for all of you who want to learn the basic study of differential calculus. So this is the main important for all of you. The learning point who are learning, start just learning the derivative. Okay, see carefully. We now introduce the next video of some problem, this type of some problem, and okay, see carefully, and okay.